Hello friend, heartily welcome to my channel Pet Babu. Today we are in Ramoji Film City. I will show you the bird and parrot section present in the Ramoji Film City and a bonsai garden present in the Ramoji Film City. So see friends, this person is holding a macaw. You can pay some money and you can photo shoot with this macaw. It is very amazing and beautiful. And let's go and see the park, what type of parrot they are carrying in Ramoji Film City. Actually friend, it is not a zoo but a type of garden. They have made a bird garden. Maybe it may be meant for film shooting, but pet lover like us will go and enjoy the moment. Let's walk into it and see how many types of parrot and what kind of bird they have in Ramoji Film City. Let's walk into it and see. Mind blowing. See friend, how neat and clean they have maintained. Mind blowing. Like a heaven, it is looking like a heaven. Mind blowing thing. See the goose, how beautiful it is looking. Nicely maintained, heart touching. See friends, how beautiful and neat and clean they have. They are really maintaining the spot. Truly amazing. Nicely maintained. Actually friend, I am a pet lover. I am actually glad that I am present here and seeing this moment. And viewers, you can also enjoy this thing in my video. See how beautiful they are looking and cute. See the goose chart is here. Different type of goose you can see here. Beautiful, unlimited happiness I am getting here, and I am pleasure that I am in Ramoji Film City and seeing this moment. Friend, silently let's see this moment. Friends, now we are entering the parrot garden. Let's walk into it and see. See here, you can leave me alone. It may be a breeding point, that's why it is written leave me alone. Friend, now we are entering the parrot garden. Let's walk into it and see how many type of parrots and what type of birds they are having. Let's go and see friend. See friend, they are playing with this door. They are mad or what? See friend, this is a type of Amazon. I think this is an Amazon parrot. See friend, how beautiful it is looking. Wow, it is amazing. This is maybe a black cockatoo. What? This is a sun conure. I think this is a sun conure, right? It is also it is a pineapple parrot. Actually, it is a pineapple parrot. See how beautiful they are looking. I will show you the parrot with name. They are having a chart. I will show you. This is, I think, a Rosilla. I think it's a Rosilla parrot. See, huge amount of parrot they are having. This is a grey parrot. Grey macaw. Actually, it is a type of parrot, so we can call it a grey parrot. See friends, they are having a huge varieties of parrot here. Come with me, I will show you the parrot's name and the parrot. The parrot name they have written in the chart. I will show you that chart and we will see the parrot. Come with me. Now we have completed seeing all the parrot. As I have said, I will show you the bonsai garden that is in Ramoji Film City. See friend, they have made a artificial waterfall. Now we will go and enter the bonsai garden. Let's walk into it.